Hi, I'm Marcus Stevenson. Today I'm putting together a short video just to point you in the direction of a PowerPoint that I put together, which just highlights some of my background experience professionally in the garden industry and how I got there, and also how it relates to FIT's program for cosmetic and fragrance marketing, specifically looking at the opportunity for the graduate program. My past experience has been set up to go into the field of landscape architecture. So, however, since I've married my wife, who has about 12 years experience in the fragrance and cosmetics and industry and global marketing, we've had a lot of conversations, and it seems very much of a natural progression in my professional career to move into that aspect in that career field. So what I'd like to do is also point you to some, my wife in there as well, and some of her experience, and also some of the references regarding myself. And also what I'd like to do is have you look at some of my transcripts from colleges that I've attended. And hopefully when we meet in person, we can go over some of this stuff in a little more detail, and talking with myself and also my wife, who knows the industry very well. So I've had a passionate pursuit for beauty my entire life, working in design, working flower arranging. I actually really love fragrance a lot. I never realized how much I've loved it, but it does go back to childhood, having lived in France, working in gardens. I also worked developing, I used to make candles and worked with many fragrances, mixing and doing everything in regards to candle making when I was in high school. And I have had exposure throughout the years of that. I'm very fascinated about brands, marketing, dealing with clients, having developed my own brand, consulting for other companies. There's a lot of things I'd like to talk about regarding my experience in the chateaus, working for the president of Gardens of France, having worked for the director of Chantilly, having worked and in the gardens and meeting the head gardener of the Palace of Versailles as well. I've also worked on a $12 million children's garden, along with gardens, sitting in meetings weekly, developing designs and implementing the designs, and then having my own business, which there's things that I could talk about there, including doing a television show for Vanilla Ice and Ice Mouse. So just a little bit of a preview, some of the things in that PowerPoint, and also looking at some of the references of people that I've worked with, including professors that I've had, as well as working some of the owners of the chateau. So little thing there, take a look at it, and hopefully we get to meet soon. Bye-bye.